We're still in the same resort, but the lady said there's a waterfall around here somewhere. So we've just driven up this little road. I can hear water somewhere, so let's go and investigate. Well, we're hoping there's going to be a bigger waterfall further up. I'm not convinced at the moment. Well, this is proper jungle territory now. Humid as hell. Quite hard going in the heat. Oh, I can see a big waterfall in the distance. Wow. Well, that's better. As waterfalls go. Hope these rocks are not too slippery. Come on, you can fall in first. Ah, it's cold. Well, that's quite high. Well, Dana's going in the water. Gonna try and go for the swim. Cold. Okay. I wish I'd have brought my trunks now. Well, I don't know how good you can hear this, but this waterfall is quite refreshing. It actually takes your breath away a bit.
Great for the hangover.
Wow. Unfortunately, I didn't bring my swimming trunks, so I'm in my boxers. But there's only 3 of us here, and I don't think anybody cares. But after a walk through the jungle, this is fantastic. You coming in?
Come on in, baby. Oh, wow.
Oh, it's cold.
Wow. Lovely. I thought it was just going to be one of them little waterfalls we've seen at the bottom, but this has turned into something nice here, and it's great because there's no tourists here. There's nobody else around except mosquitoes, millions of them.
Got a little bit of water on the lens, so it might be a little blurry. Put it under the water and mix it up again. Oh, this is nice. There you go. Oh, perfect.
Good morning, everyone. Another video today. We're right in the centre of Koh Chang. My friends are leaving on Monday, so they decided to drive to the interior of the island. We're looking for another waterfall. We went to one yesterday, but we've gone as far as the car will take us. There's a little ford here, but I don't know. This may be the waterfall. Well, Dana's just gone back up to get his car. He's thinking the water doesn't look too bad to cross. Quite smooth on the bottom, no bumps or rocks. Easy. So we're going to look now for this other waterfall. 40 baht per person.
Oh my god!
Oh, here comes the rest of you guys. Hi. Hi.
Probably looking for food.
Oh boy.
Waterfall,
Yeah.
200 meters. So this is the first time I've been to the interior of Koh Chang. Hello. Oh, they like their dogs. Well, apparently there's a few waterfalls up here, a few hundred meters. Just charged us 40 baht per person. Doesn't seem too bad. I think the dogs are coming with us. Well, we're following the dogs at the moment. It seems to be a little bit cooler up here. I don't know if that's down to the height or the altitude, or the fact there's a river around where we are. Well, it looks like we've arrived back at the river. I'm trying to film it at the same time. Okay.
Let's go up one more.
This is quite nice. This is why you have to be very careful in Thailand. Check this out, if you bang your head on here. There's some serious looking thorns there. Wow, I wouldn't like to fall in this tree. Oh, this is a bit tough going. You gotta be careful you don't slip here. Looks like somebody's drinking water from these pools. Well, I can't believe this. Second day on the trot. You think I'd have learnt yesterday, but I've got to go swimming in my boxers again. And this is going to be cold. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is freezing. Oh dear, that is cold. But now I'm in, it's great. Wow. Not the deepest thing in the world, but I think it gets deeper in places. Yeah, it's quite a nice waterfall, but it's spoiled a little bit by these pipes they must have used for drinking water or something.
Alright.
Cold, yeah?
One way to do this. Oh, that'll wake you up.
Wow! Oh, this is freezing. I can't swim against the current. It's hard to hold on. Oh wow. Hey. Oh it out. Oh, that's hard work. Standing up there, yeah. Take that all out of the camera off you. Cold, yeah?
Yeah, onto the hose, yeah.
Oh, deep over there.
Oh, David, come here. Come here. Come back. Come back. Come back.
I just... I can see a snake.
Where?
Right at the pole. See that?
No.
You see that?
No.
Right at the rock, between the rock, broken rock. You see it?
No, where?
Laid on like a rock.
Oh.
You see it?
Oh, I do see it.
That one. Oh.
See it?
Right, you've seen a snake, I can't see it.
Can you zoom it?
Let me check the... No, where? I can't...
I'm not sure that's a snake.
It is.
Right there, let me turn this off for a minute. Right, I don't know if anybody can see this, but right in front of the camera, in the shadow of that little, what looks like an overhang, is a nasty looking snake. That's not one of your green sea snakes. I would like to go a bit closer, but I don't swim that good.
That's the tail right there. Its head stuck in the rock.
Okay, turn it off now. Probably I'll go back now and somebody will say that's harmless, but my motto is keep away from all of them. Just to think I was swimming up by there a few minutes ago. Well, that was interesting. We just went to the waterfall on top of this one. I'll show you on the video. I swam right up to the waterfall, but while I was going towards it I didn't realise that on the right hand side under one of the little cracks was a snake. I'm not a snake expert, but it didn't look like a green tree snake. It was a browny mottledy colour. I tried to video it with this, but we were a bit far away. But if I can get any video, I'll try and find someone that can identify it. But needless to say, we got out of there a bit rapid. But Dan has gone in to this waterfall, which is the next one down. Hopefully the snake don't have any of his mates hanging around.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it makes for a good video anyway. And now for something completely different. We come back from our trip to the waterfall, but on the way we decided to stop into this elephant camp. Again, very, very difficult to find. It's not my thing riding the elephants anymore, but some people like to see it. There's Dan and his wife feeding the elephants. Or elephant. Friendly guy.
Yeah.
Did he tell you how old this one is?
No. It looks pretty young though.
Yeah.
Small. It's a female, but I don't know. Yeah. I wouldn't know how.
Oh, he
old
chomps.
she is.
He chomps through them pretty quick. Okay, now you happy now you have your pet? You have quite a few hell of elephants here. There's a few more elephants down the bottom. Okay. Oh, look, he loves that stuff.
Let her out. Okay. No, water more? Not enough. What? No, I
No,
change my
I
mind.
know who he likes.
Yeah.
He likes the ladies. Well, she likes the ladies. I don't know.
I
Is
think
it a male or a female?
I think it's a female.
it's a, I see her name there. See?
Yeah.
Mostly the females in Thailand are quite grumpy, but this one's nice. This is a couple I've just met from Bangkok, come down for a few days.
Hi.
What was your name?
My name is Min from Bangkok.
And husband?
Yeah, hello, I'm Jackie. Nice to meet
Ah,
you.
cool. We told them about Khlong Kloi because they didn't know about that area. So they're going to take a visit and have a look at a few of my videos, hopefully. Alright, bye-bye then. Okay, bye-bye.
Oh, have enjoy your day.
Thank you, you too.
Ah, that one have a chain on.
Wow.
This one have a chain. Oh, right.
Off his front feet bound.
Alright, man. More, look at it. More.
Black tub? Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Shelby. Wait a minute.
Now the other one's coming now. Bit of free food.
Okay. There you go. Well. Okay, one more time. One more time. Oh.